All right, guys, here in Chicago with the Saints' all-time leading rusher, Deuce McAllister, and boy, oh boy, no Kamara, no Jared Cook, no Drew Brees. No problem, right?
No problem. I mean, and this was an impressive victory for this team. And so, I know they're a little disappointed down because of the injuries, but man, when you hats off to the offensive line, hats off to, Michael Thomas stepping up. And, if I'm the Bears, I double him. But the guy still goes over 130 yards. I think it was 9 targets, 11 targets, 9 catches. And he was impressive. Teddy was able to deliver the ball to the other players. Josh Hill, you've had Ted Ginn Jr., Taysom scores, so really good job.
And it could have been worse. I mean, they could have had the block punt. Lutz missed a couple field goals.
Yeah. It should have been worse, and that's probably the thing when you go back and look at it, like, man, we did all of this, and, we put 36 on the board. You probably could have close to 50 on this team, and this is a number 6 ranked defense coming into this game, so you kind of had your way with them.
Latavius Murray, got to ask you about the running back. 2 touchdowns, over 100 yards for the first time as a New Orleans Saint. You got to be impressed with guys stepping up like that.
Just give him the opportunities. I mean, that's what he needed. He needed the opportunities, and not to say that he can't do that with Alvin in the game. He just needs to touch the football. He's a physical runner. He sees the field well. He can cut it back. He can catch it. Just give him the opportunity.
Teddy Bridgewater said this team were survivors. I mean, you played football for a long time. When you overcome injuries and you continue to win in different ways, I mean, how does that kind of galvanize a team like this?
It makes you figure out, hey, look, we've got to figure out, I've got to raise my level of play. We're going to figure out a way to win a game. And right now they're out there having fun, and they're figuring out ways to win games.
If they go 6-0, let's say Brees doesn't play next week. If they go 6-0 into the bye week and they get Brees back after the bye week, I mean, how dangerous can this team be?
Look out. He's rested. He'll be a little rusty, but he's primed and ready to go. But this team is going to be a dangerous one all the way to the end.
We may get run over by a lawnmower here, so I'm going to let Deuce go. That's the story here in Chicago. Back to you guys.